The Restoration Village, the restoration of heaven on earth through the revitalization of the African village concept. The village's health care will be promoted by their understanding of life management, or as what we will refer to as health literacy. Life management principles, and reinforced by low-stress living, contentment. A fair system of labor and management and a truly progressive development can be rediscovered, rekindled, and applied. We must believe that a different kind of social order and lifestyle can be developed, which is effective, comfortable, and satisfying. Science and technology, realigned with truth, will become much more elaborate and interesting in our pursuit of life. But its intrinsic nature will remain interconnected with the divine order of the creation, and subsequently far less prone to being exploited and put into the service of the forces of chaos, discord, and individualism. We will utilize truth-centered science and indigenous knowledge systems, also other technologies and methods that are compatible with the objective. The villages will become known as living and learning centers that pursue holistic research and utilize methods of teaching integrated with daily life, an antithesis of chaos, discord, disharmony. Instead of individualism, there will be a natural social ecology. One of the major objectives is to halt the advance of sickness and death in the country, and thereafter provide light. The fullness of life depends upon a harmonious relationship with the natural laws. You must feel your kinship with the earth and once again move to protect it from abuse. You must develop a sense of oneness with your environment and realize your dependence upon it. Thereafter, your growing respect for the earth will prevent and check further its destruction.